Welcome to another video of knowIT. So today we're going to be looking at 10 tips and tricks which you can find in any Apple computer. Let's begin. If you want to know what this app is and how I'm doing this, you can see my other video. The link is in the top right corner. So let's begin. Number 1, lookup. So for example, you come across a word like anemia which you don't know the meaning of. What are you going to do? There's a very simple way that you can look up its meaning. Right-click it and click Look Up Anemia. And here it is. The dictionary definition is going to pop up. So anemia means a condition in which there is a deficiency of red cells. And there you go, as simple as that. Now let's go on to another way that you can use this lookup function. So over here you have a simple sentence. I want to change this adjective over here. I want it to sound more fancy. So I'm just going to right click it and press lookup. So along with the definition you even get a thesaurus. Right below the definition you can see it says English thesaurus, and you have a whole list of synonyms which you can use in your sentence. So as you can see there are many over here. I'll go with lustrous. So you can just press escape or click outside and type the word that you wish to replace with. And there you go. So I'm going to just continue the sentence to show you another example. So here are some quick examples. For example, I replace relaxing with tranquilizing, and then I replace sunshine with another word such as daylight, for example. So there you go. Let's move on to number 2, transformation. So over here we have a sentence which is terribly capitalized, and now you might be wondering how do we fix this without having to type out the whole thing again. So you just select the whole thing, right click, and now you can choose how you would like to change it. So you can make it uppercase, or right click again, go to transformations, and you can make it lowercase. Or there's the third option. You can even capitalize each word. I mean each word as in the first letter of each word. So there you go, that's transformation. Okay, so number 3, font color, only for the Notes app. Sometimes it gets really dull just using the same color over and over again, so you might want to change it. Right click, go to fonts. There are other settings, but we're not going to focus on those because they're generally known. The thing you don't know still, or now you do because you watched my video, is show colors. So click on that, and here you have it, a beautiful color wheel from which you can choose any color that you'd like. I'll go with a light jade. So here you go. Your color has become amazing. That's better. Moving on. Number 4, emojis, everyone's favorite. And in this video, you'll learn how to use them on a Mac. Yes, you can use them on your Mac. So in the top, in the menu bar, you'll have this symbol with A written. Go there and click Show Emoji Keyboard, and here you have it, the whole range of emojis. Along with emojis, you even have other amazing symbols such as arrows, bullets and stars, currency symbols, Latin symbols, letter-like symbols, and many more. Okay, number 5, special paste. Now this is something that not many of you might know, so let's go ahead and explore it. So for example, you go to a site such as Wikipedia and you want to copy some information and paste it in another app. So we'll just go ahead and copy the first paragraph over here and go back to Notes and paste it. Now when you paste it, oh my god, you don't like it at all. There are all these weird links and formatting which you really don't want. So we're going to do Shift-Alt-Command-V, which is basically a special way of pasting something. And as you can see, wow, all the formatting has disappeared. There are no more links. I'll just make it large for you to see. And look, it's perfect. I'm just showing you again so you can learn how to do it yourself. So number 6, quick switching between different apps. This is a really handy tip which will help you a lot in your workflow on your computer. Let's go to Safari and open a random link. This is Unsplash, by the way, where people can post their own photography for free and others can view and download it. Fun fact, I have a profile on Unsplash, and yeah. Now you press Command Tab to switch between this app and Notes. As you can see, a bar has appeared with different apps showing up. So when you leave Command Tab, the Notes app appears. You can do this again and again just to test it. So press Command Tab again and the whole bar comes. It shows basically the most recent apps. You can even leave Command Tab immediately without holding it to quickly switch between apps instead of showing that bar. And there you go. That's that. Number 7, screen recording using the QuickTime app, but I'm going to tell you a shortcut of how to do it. So if you press Command-Shift-5 on your keyboard, it's going to give you the option of screen recording or even taking a screenshot. At the moment, I can't show you how to do this because I'm screen recording myself, but I hope you will find it easy to follow yourself on your computer. Let's move on. The next trick is switching between different tabs. So over here I have 3 tabs open in Safari. This also works in Chrome, by the way, but right now I'm using Safari. So as you can see, different tabs are open. Now if I want to switch between them without manually clicking, I will press Control-Tab, and as you can see, I'm easily switching between the different tabs. Number 9, closing tabs in Chrome and Safari. Of course, I'm using Safari as I mentioned before. So here we have different tabs. To close one, you would press Command W, and as you can see, the tabs have closed. It's a very quick way of doing it. And now the last tip, Readability View. This is available only in Safari, otherwise in Chrome you have to download an extension. So as you can see, there are lots of distractions in this page. You may not like it and you may want to read it easily without any distraction. So over here in the top left, next to the link, you have these lines, which means Readability View. So you click on it, it says Show Reader View. As soon as you click it, it's going to change to Reader View. Of course, all these tables are going to appear, but once you scroll down, you will find that it's much easier to read than the previous non-Reader View page. Now I'm quickly going to show you another example. So this is a blog, and when you find what you want to read, click on the Reader View, and as you can see, it looks amazing. It's very nice, even pictures are included. Now you can even customize your Reader View. You click the A button in the corner as I just did, and see, you can change your view how you want it to look like. I'm going to go with this. You can change the font as well, and you can even change the font size actually, which I'll show you in just a moment. So as you can see, the font has increased, and you can even decrease it, and there you go, there's your Reader View. That was the last tip, but I'm going to give you a bonus, which is Siri jokes. It's a really nice feature of Siri which many of you might not have discovered yet, but I'm going to show it to you today. Tell me a joke, Siri. Since I recorded this previously, her voice is not going to come, so I'll read it for you. My friend was changing a tire when he dropped the car on his foot. Now he needs a tow. Okay. Tell me a pun, Siri. Why did the scarecrow get promoted? Because it was outstanding in its field. Wow. Tell me a funny joke, Siri. I admit I was wrong about how good my chiropractor is. I stand corrected. Okay. Tell me another joke, Siri. Why don't koala bears hang around with all the other bears? Because they don't meet the qualifications. Thank you for that laughter, Siri. Tell me another joke. This one's for the kids. What did the bee say to the daffodil? Hey bud, when do you open? Okay. Why does Orion's belt only have 3 stars? Well, some of the reviews say it's just a waste of space. Okay. Thanks, Siri, and bye-bye. So that's it, we've come to the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.